Okay, I want to show you another really cool feature about question sets. So right now I'm in numbered heads together. Here are available question sets, and I'm going to choose this question set on ratios, percent, and proportion word problems. And why don't we go ahead and just view this question set. And if you notice over here, we got this green print to PDF button. So I'm going to go ahead and click this print to PDF button. And it pops up this dialog box. And we have a few little templates that we've built so far. So worksheets, you can turn your question set into a worksheet. You could have questions 4 cards per page or 6 cards per page. So let's just take a peek at what that looks like. I'm going to do 4 cards per page. I'm going to hit preview, and here you go. So the questions that are in KaganTools, you can turn into cards to print and cut those out and use them for other structures, other activities as well. Couple little things I see is there's a little header and footer on here that I don't want to print out. So my browser is giving me this little option here. So I'm going to unclick this little print header and footers so you can see those disappeared. 6 pages of questions. You can scale them if you wanted, 100% fit to page, different sizes on there. You can save it as a PDF or go ahead and just print those. And I am going to hit cancel on that. So that's a really awesome feature with lots of great content in here. You can quickly and easily turn those into question sets. So here's on icebreakers, for example. I'm just going to view that, print the question sets. I want to do let's look at the 6 cards per, and there's a, for example, what those would look like as 6 icebreaker cards per page. All right, another cool feature, and hopefully we'll be adding some more print options down the road. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.